Skrunkle Cat 5. Skrunkle Cat does the unthinkable.
As you saw in the cinematic trailer, I am going to smoke a bong and a blunt at the same time. Oh my god. And then you are going to see me eat 6 edibles. And then after all of that is done, I will eat the roach. It is now time to chow down. It's now time for the bong. But there's a but inside of it. Alright, I didn't exactly like this last time, but it's time to eat the roach.